Hi, I'm Lydia, and I'm solving video solution number 7. So this problem has us take a look at 9 students who were shown words in different ways, either printed or spoken, and then asked to recall them. So to start out, we will make our null and alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is that all of the means are same whether the words were printed, spoken, or printed and spoken to the kids. And then the alternative hypothesis is that at least 2 of those groups differ in the amount of words that were recalled. So to start out, we're going to find the DF column because I think that's the easiest one to find. So for the DF of between, that is k minus 1. So k is the number of groups and n is the total amount of groups. So k in this case is 3, and n, because there is print only, spoken only, and print and spoken, and then n is 9, the total amount of kids in the study. So for the DF of between, that's k minus 1, so that'll be 2. For the DF of within, that's n minus k, so 9 minus 3 is 6, and then the total DF is n minus 1, so 9 minus 1 is 8. So then we'll find the SS column. So to find the SS of between, we use, first we'll want to find the total mean. So to find, we have the individual means of each group, but to find the total mean, we're going to take, for each group, the number of kids in the group times the mean of that group, and then we'll add them all together and divide it by the total amount. So in this case, it's the number of kids in that group 3 times the mean of 5, and so on throughout, and then we'll end up with a total mean of 5.22. And we need that to find the SSB, that's why we needed to do it first. So for the SSB, we're taking the total amount of kids in the study times the mean of one group minus the total mean squared, and then adding that together for each group. So here's that written out, and then so the total SSB for these 3 groups is 32.6675. Then to find the within, the SS within, we will do the total amount of kids minus 1 times the standard, or times the variance. And so this problem only gave us standard deviation up here, so we needed to multiply, or to square each of those to get the variance. So to find the SSW, I've plugged in all of these numbers. So for the first group, there were 9 total kids, minus 1 is 8, and then the variance for that group was 1, and so on for each group, and that gives us a total SSW of 18.6666. So just then the SS total is going to be SSB plus SSW, so that's the 32.6675 plus 18.6666, and that gives us 51.334. So then we'll move over to the MS column, and so to find MS of between, we take the SSB divided by the DF in this. So this column right here, 32 divided by 2 is going to be 16.3337. Similarly, for this MS within column, we do 18.6666 divided by 6, which gives us 3.1111. And then to find the F, we take the MSB divided by the MSW, so 16.3337 divided by 3.1111 gives us a F of 5.2501. So then we need to take a look at the F table, and so we're going to go for a numerator of 2 and a denominator of 6, and to find our number in there, we find that our p-value is between 0.025 and 0.50. So this number is smaller than a 5% level, so we're going to reject the null because it's less than 5%. So we're rejecting the null, which because the p-value is less than 0.05, because we have significant evidence the population mean of words recalled differs for at least two groups.